Okay, culinary experiment. These are egg yolks. I'm going to cure them. Each one has its own little bed that it's sitting in. And that's salt, but then obviously some different seasoning mixes. I'm going to let these sit in the salt mix for at least a week, possibly longer, and then rinse them off once they've started to dehydrate, and wrap them in some cheesecloth and let them cure for as long as I want. I will explain more later in the video. Okay, so I can hear you asking, why the hell would I drown an egg yolk in salt? Well, it is a great question. And cured egg yolks come in a lot of different forms, but all of them are basically used as a condiment. The dehydrated cure, which is what I'm going for, is grated and can be used like a grated cheese. You can spread it on avocado toast, is one of the listings I just saw recently. But it's got a lot of different uses, and that's why I'm adding flavors to try different variations and to see what suits my taste. And it's a great poor man's Parmesan. So saving you money. On the job I was usually known as a bit of a mad scientist because there was always something weird going on in my coolers or on my cart. Sometimes it was actually growing. And I was always on the lookout for the health inspector because I knew that my stuff was not going to meet code. If I was doing that kind of thing. It doesn't mean I was serving it to the people. These were my experiments because I didn't go to culinary school, so I was learning, as I grew. And this ingredient would definitely not make the HACCP code, which is required. But gratefully, you can do it at home, and it's very simple. When I get done about a week from now, I'm going to pull this out of the salt and try and rinse them off a little bit, let them dry, pat them dry, and then wrap them loosely in cheesecloth. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and check back next week when we take them out of the salt and put them into cheesecloth. See y'all later.